few weeks out, you still have lots of time. So I always joke the difference in tragedy and comedy is the timing, right? If there was only an act 6, scene 1, everybody on that stage would still be alive. He said, they run out of time. Act 5, scene 5, everybody's, ends up committing suicide or killing each other. Study plans are the same way. They're kind of like an option. That time value will erode. So a few weeks out, not a problem. Life is good. I would warn you that study plan timelines collapse rapidly. How many times, Ryan, do we get somebody who's got like 2 days left and, they're going to try and cram? The days of cramming are over. You cannot cram and pass any of these exams. Hence my term inch by inch, practice, passing the test is a sense, because that's what you got to do. You got to matriculate incrementally into scoring position over this next few weeks. So we're not worried with you with a few weeks out for 66. I think it looks good. Just make sure every day you're doing the work. You got to do the work.
Every day.
AM tomorrow. Well, make sure you get some sleep. Reading skills are very, very important on the 24 because you have to answer a lot of judgment questions. I always joke that on Series 7, if you have an answer that says check with the immediate supervisor, always a good choice. On 24, that answer is no longer available to you because you are the immediate supervisor. So you have to make the call, right? So we are wishing you luck. Bon chance, mon ami. That's French for good luck, my friend. Circle back. Let us know how you did. Let us know how you did. The dates are tripping me up. Well, first thing I would say, Blair, is you tell us that you missed an exam because of dates. I'm going to say you had a bigger problem elsewhere. Are there dates? Yes. I think you're smart to go with December 31st. Don't be looking for exceptions. Oh, my God. I thought you said, December 31st is the vast majority of the answers. I go, it is. Well, it's not for a Canadian broker-dealer. I said, did I say all? And I don't think you're going to get a Canadian broker-dealer. So, and by the way, you shouldn't have to guess. You should know, right? 95th, yeah, that's good. What's the easiest way to understand it? Well, dates, memorization, I don't think lends itself way to understand it. So the 3 styles of question are recognition, no understanding of necessary. Practical application, you need to understand it. Total return, for example, on your 66. Dollar cost averaging on your 66. Practical application does require an understanding. I guess you could force it through memory work on the calculations, but I find in my personal situation, the math is easier for me if I kind of understand why I'm doing it, right? So, and then the judgment questions, not many judgment questions, but that's a deeper level of understanding because to answer those judgment questions like suitability questions,